today's question is sentence similarity. So it is like validating the two sentences they are similar or not. The input is we are having a sentence 1 and sentence 2 is array of strings. So if I'm having a sentence, I am happy with the lead code, it is tokenized and putting into a array. So we are getting sentence 1 and sentence 2 like this, and there is a one more list of list which is similar pairs. uh, the task is to validate the sentence 1 and sentence 2 are similar or not. We have some rules here, the how we can evaluate that. Two sentences are similar when we say they are of having a same length. So if I say sentence 1 is having some 5 words and sentence 2 is having some 6 or some 4 words, then this is not in a similar pair. So second is the sentence I and sentence 2 are similar based on the similar pairs. So we will pick up this first example. This is a sentence 1. We are having this 3, great acting and skills. Sentence 2 is having fine drama and talent, and the similar pairs are great and fine, which means great is similar to the fine and fine is similar to the great. If we go to the another pair, it is drama is similar to the acting and acting is similar to the drama. Likewise, the third pair it is. So as the length is not can be equal, should be equal, and I have to pick up each and every word and check it that it is having the corresponding similar words in the similar pairs or not. So if I pick up the zeroth index, so you see, so there is a zeroth index. The sentence 1 is having a great word and the sentence 2 is having a fine. But if you see, we have this similarity in the similar pair, which means it will give us the true. If I'll pick up the first index, this is acting, and in the sentence 1 and the sentence 2, the corresponding one would be drama. So I can say that that this is also true. Why? Because we have a relationship with drama to acting, but we have that it it like acting is having a relationship with the drama as well. It's a symmetric relationship. So this is also giving true. If I pick up the this is the first index actually, and this is the second index because array start with the 0. So skills, and here on the same index we have a talent, and you see skills and talent again we have a similar pair. This is also providing us true. All the three letters in the three words in the sentence are giving us true. Then we can say that these two sentences are similar and we can return true. Likewise. Now the second example is great in the first sentence and second sentence is also having a great, which means that both words are same. No need to have a similar pair at all. We will also consider this as a true because both are same. And this is the example of the length where the sentence 1 is having a length of 1 and sentence 2 is having a length of 2, which is are not equal. First check should be that, so that we should not do all the exercise and it should return you the false. Okay, so we'll come up with the first thing as I told you. If the sentence 1 length is not equals to sentence 2 dot length, then we will return false here itself. So this is a third use case we have covered it where the length are not equal. Now what we will do, uh, as we are giving the array. So if I want to find out the great is there or fine is there, any of the word, it'll be like very much iteration is required for me to figure it out. So that we need a different data structures to store a similar pair. I will use a map because whenever you are searching it, the complexity is O1 for that. So that is a thing we can use. It'll be string, and the this is a set of string because quite possible we have multiple pairs like this. So great is uh, the great is having a similar but with the fine, but great can have a similar but with the awesome also. So both can go. So that's why I'm keeping it as a map, and this is a pair map here. Now I have to iterate my similar pair so that I can fill this map and use it further. And here every word should be present into the node because right now the first example great we are matching with the fine. So pick up the acting is there. If I'm not putting every node into the every word into the hash map, then you will never be get to know that acting is there or not. So if drama, I'm putting drama also and acting also. This is a pair we are getting every time, and this is your pair map dot, this is computed absent. This is the pair dot get 0 comma, and I will add this get 1. Now the vice versa. Now I have added 1 and the 0. So this is how we get it, and we can have all the pairs. After this, I have to check it because every word needs to be matched. Again, I will use a loop on the sentence 1. I is less than I plus plus. If, okay, first thing is, if my sentence 1, the first, the great, or you can take this example here, the first element great, the second example I'm talking about, if it is equals to sentence 2 of ith, then continue, because I want it to continue. When the loop ends, then I will return true. I don't want to do anything afterwards. If keep on matching, I keep on going it. If it is not, in that case, this is the pair map. I will check it if there any similar word is present or not. So this is a contains key. I will always check the first one, first word from the sentence 1, the ith one. If it is present over there, okay, fine. Then what I will check, I will get that pair map, the what is the value over here, because I need all the sets which are similar to this string. If this is a map which contains sentence 2 of I, if it is having that, which means we are good, then I will say continue, else return false. So what exactly I'm doing it, I'm picking up the grade and checking into the map. If it is there, then I'm getting all the similar words to the grade right now, which is fine. And if this find is matching with my this find is matching with my second with my sentence 2 word, then I'm saying that go ahead, check with the another word which will be acting. Otherwise return false, because if I'm getting any one mismatch, then we are not proceeding further with the other matching, like other words afterwards. So hence we are doing it. I'll run this code. I'm submitting it. Okay, so this is like great. This is not matching. Why? Sentence 1 is equal to sentence 2, then continue. The problem is I'm using the equal sign, and it should fix afterwards. Let me submit this. Yes, it's working. So yeah, this is silly mistakes. That's all. Thank you.